Today, we're diving deep into exactly how to change the master code on your TEEHO or REVOLO Keypad Deadbolt. We're going to make this super simple, step by step, so you can secure your home with confidence. No more guessing, no more frustration, just clear, actionable instructions. All right, let's get straight to it. Before we even touch that keypad, there are a couple of things you need to know, especially for TEEHO and REVOLO locks, because while they're very similar, there can be slight model variations. But don't worry, the core process is almost identical. 1. What you need to know first. First things first, you need your current master code. Sounds obvious, right? But sometimes people forget it, or they've just moved into a new place. If you don't have it, you might need to factory reset your lock, which is a whole other video. But for changing the code, you need the old one. So make sure you've got that handy. Secondly, your new master code needs to be between 4 and 10 digits long. And my personal recommendation, don't use sequential numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 or your birthday. The more random, the better for security. Now let's look at the lock itself. You'll notice the keypad with numbers and usually a lock button, sometimes indicated by a padlock icon. This lock button is crucial for programming. 2. The step-by-step process. Changing your master code. Okay, ready? Let's walk through this together. I'll give you the steps, and then we'll quickly review them. Step 1. Wake up the keypad. The first thing you need to do is wake up your keypad. Simply touch any key, or sometimes you just need to touch the screen. You'll see the numbers light up. It's ready for action. Step 2. Enter your current master code. Now, carefully enter your existing master code. This tells the lock you're an authorized user making a change. Step 3. Press the lock button. Immediately after entering your current master code, press the lock button. On TEEHO and REVOLO, this is usually the button with the padlock symbol, or sometimes just labeled lock or esse. You should hear a beep, and the keypad might flash green, indicating it's ready for the next command. Step 4. Press 1 for programming. This is the key programming sequence. After pressing the lock button, immediately press the number 1. This tells the lock you want to change a user code, which includes the master code. Step 5. Press the lock button. Again, after pressing 1, you'll press the lock button one more time. This is confirming your intention to program. You'll likely hear another series of beeps. Step 6. Enter your now's the moment. Enter your brand new secure master code. Remember, 4 to 10 digits. Take your time and double check you're entering it correctly. Step 7. Press the lock button to confirm. Once you've entered your new code, press the lock button one last time to confirm. If done correctly, you should hear a long beep or a series of happy chirps, and the keypad will flash green. This signifies success. If it flashes red and beeps rapidly, something went wrong and you'll need to start over. 3. Test it immediately. Crucial step. Seriously, don't skip this. After you've changed the code, immediately test it. First, try your "it should not work." The lock should reject it with red lights and error beeps. Next, try your new master code. Enter it, then press the lock button. The deadbolt should retract, and the door should unlock. Visual. Alex demonstrating testing the lock with a new code, successfully unlocking it. If both tests pass, congratulations. You've successfully changed your master code. It's really that simple once you know the sequence. 4. Quick troubleshooting tips. If you get stuck. What if it didn't work? Don't panic. Timing is key. Some TEEHO REVOLO models require you to enter the sequence fairly quickly. If you pause too long between button presses, the lock might time out. Battery check. Low batteries can sometimes cause programming errors. If your batteries are old, replace them and try again. Read your manual. I know, who reads manuals? But if you have a very specific model, there might be a slight deviation. Your lock's specific manual is your best friend. Alex holds up a generic lock manual with a smile. It's got all the little quirks your model might have. Factory reset, last resort. If you've tried everything and it's just not working, or if you completely forgot your old master code, a factory reset might be your only option. Be aware, This will wipe all existing codes, including the master code, and revert the lock to its original factory settings. You'll then need to set up a new master code from scratch. That's a topic for another video, but just know it's there as a last resort. So there you have it. Changing the master code on your TEEHO or REVOLO Keypad Deadbolt is a straightforward process when you know the steps. It's all about that sequence. Wake up, old code, lock button, 1. Lock button, new code, and finally, the lock button to confirm. And of course, always test it. Keeping your master code updated is a smart security practice, whether you're welcoming new family members, saying goodbye to old ones, or just want a fresh layer of protection. These keypad deadbolts offer fantastic convenience, but that convenience comes with the responsibility of managing your codes effectively.